Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Ruby on Windows. So let's start. First of all, open your browser. Once you open your browser, then search for Ruby installer. And here you can see the first result. So click on the first link. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. Then click on the download option. Here we can see the Ruby Dev Kit 3.3.6.2 version, which is for 64-bit operating system. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, over here you can see the download is started. Now wait for some time. It will take time based upon your internet speed. Now our Ruby installer is downloaded. Now go to the download folder. So here is the exe file. So right click on it and run as administrator. Then over here you can see, click on the more info. Once you click on the more info, click on the option run anyway. Then select the appropriate option as per your choice. So I am selecting install for me only. Then over here you can see some instruction. Then I need to accept the license. Then click on next button. Then select the location where you want to install Ruby. Then check this option such as add Ruby executors to your path. And second option, associate .rb and .rbw files with this Ruby installation. So check both these options and click on install. So click on yes. Then select this option as per your choice. I am keeping them as a default and then click on next. Now Ruby is installing on your Windows computer. So wait for some time. So installation is completed. I am unchecking this checkbox and click on finish. So to verify the installation, open the command prompt. Once you open command prompt, then type a command ruby-v and click enter. So over here you can see Ruby 3.3.6 is installed on my Windows computer. So minimize this window. Now open Notepad. So open a Notepad and type puts in double quotes hello world. So I have just written this statement. So this is a small Ruby program that I want to run. So save this file at the preferred location. So in my case, I am saving it at the desktop. I have a folder with data with name demo, and I am saving this file with name test.rb. .rb is an extension of Ruby. So click on save. Once you click on save, so this is the file .rb file or Ruby file that we have created. Now copy this path. Then open your command prompt and type a command cd space paste the part that you have copied and press enter. Now we want to run that file or that program. So type a command ruby space test.rb and press enter. And over here you can see the output of the Ruby program such as hello world. So in this way we can install and set up Ruby on Windows. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.